how should you deliver your bonuses after someone makes a purchase? So we're primarily going to talk about this on the affiliate marketer side, though you can obviously do it as a product creator as well. And this is actually more important than you think. It's more than just getting them access. It's what more can you get than just giving them access, right? So obviously I think we would agree. What if instead of them just being a one-time buyer, the way we deliver the course to them gives them an opportunity to become an email subscriber if they aren't already, a follower on whatever social media channel you're using, YouTube or short form? What if they come back and buy again, all because we delivered it to them in the best possible way? Let's talk through this. This is a big part of how your brand is going to be built, or the reputation your brand has, how you interact and how you deliver these bonuses to your customers. So, quick note here before we get started too much down, the link in the description, you're going to see a link to this page. This is the Bonus Builder AI. I've been doing a bunch of videos recently on bonuses in general. If you go to my channel, I have 3 that are currently sitting unlisted that haven't been listed yet. So those will be coming out soon. I have one right here that goes over my bonus strategy. I have obviously the Bonus Builder review, and then one that goes more in depth into Bonus Builder AI to build out $1,000 worth of bonuses. It can build bonuses for you. And most importantly to me, it builds out these bonus pages in a matter of minutes. This took between 2 and 5 minutes to build out the whole page. You also get my bonuses if you decide to buy Bonus Builder AI. I really don't make much in commissions on this. I just think this is a really, really, really great tool for any affiliate marketer, especially if you understand the power of bonuses. You can make your bonuses fast. You can get the rapid AI builder with 100 products. So you actually get hundreds of about 100 bonuses that you can immediately start plugging into your offers. And then eventually you should start building out a full catalog of bonuses just like I've done here. And again, go back and watch a lot of this other bonus content that I've been talking about, because I go into depth on all of this stuff, how to build out a catalog, the different types of bonuses, all this. So I don't want to rehash things I've already talked about, but that is important, and that link is in the description if you want to pick that up, and I do highly recommend it. So let's talk about what does bonus delivery look like. And one of the first things you need to address is, where are you selling the product from? So let me talk about this on a very basic level first, and then we'll get into some of the strategy that I prefer having on the back end, and actually even an extra bonus that I'm going to give you in the Bonus Builder AI, but you pretty much have to buy it through this video because I don't talk about this anywhere else. So when you email me, when you make the purchase of Bonus Builder AI, you're going to email me at info@jakethornhill.com and specifically ask for my Notion template. And you're going to see that at the end of this video. But my Notion template is how I like to deliver them, because I think you'll see why I do that here in a second. But I'll give you that template completely for free as an extra bonus for picking this up. Just let me know in the email, because it's not already built in. It's just a fun extra bonus that I can add in that I think will be helpful to you. So let's talk about it. If you are using something like JVZoo, what you can do, JVZoo, WarriorPlus, doesn't matter. They actually give you the ability to, excuse me, to plug your bonuses into the sale. So this is an option. There's something I don't like about doing this, but this will depend on kind of the structure. If you're only promoting one main thing, this might make a lot of sense. Actually, it would make a lot of sense if you're only promoting one thing. If you're promoting a lot of different stuff, like I do on this channel specifically, it doesn't make sense to do this, but I'll walk through it. So you can see I bought a product called the Hybrid Income Protocol System. Here's where I access the purchase. This is all on the sales page. And then affiliate bonus. I click this right here, and that takes me in to all the bonuses that I get for completing this purchase. What's really nice about this is it's done. I don't have to do, like, Samuel doesn't have to do any extra work. It's already sitting there in the back end with the access to the main purchase. So that's very simple for him. Same thing on the Warrior Plus, but I'll do it on the front end. If I wanted to put a link to a bonus URL, I could simply attach it right here. And just like JVZoo, it would show up on their purchase screen, and they could access the bonus from there. So that's one way to do it. It's not my preferred method, simply by what you've already seen. Let me get this out of the way. I've gone to that like 5 times now. Okay. So what I like to do is actually have people email me at info@jakethornhill.com when they complete the purchase. They just send me the receipt. Now, the reason I like doing this way, first off, because I have a lot of affiliate programs in a lot of places, right? So I do JVZoo, I do WarriorPlus, I do a lot of independent ones that aren't on a network. But I'm pretty much on every network too. So instead of me having to like go into every network and put it in, I like just send me an email and I'll send it to you. But more important than that, it opens up an opportunity for a conversation. And I'm not really a big, like, let me jump in your DMs on Facebook and start a conversation in order to pitch you. That's not really what I like to do. But I do like to have an idea of who is on my list, how can I help them, what are they, like, where are they in their business journey? I'm a coach, so I help people hit consistent 10K months. I have a full training on that for free in the description as well if you want to pick that up. But we have a high ticket coaching program where we help people almost guaranteed. I guess I can't legally say guaranteed, but basically guaranteed hit 10K a month consistently. So I want to see, like, when someone buys something from me, like, I love asking, like, hey, how are things going? How can I help? I create YouTube content on this channel and my other channel every single day. Is there a piece of content I could create that would be uniquely helpful for you? Or are you in a place where, like, maybe my coaching makes sense? Let's hop on a call and talk about it and see if there's a way that I can help you in your business in that way. So there's so many things you can get out of an email, but it's a part of the relationship building process, which is what a brand is. When you have a channel, like when you're building anything with your name on it, you want people to have a good association with your name. And I have a chance to not only do that through videos, I have a chance to do that through individual email. And I'm not going to have like these long conversations with you by any means. It's usually just like, hey, here's your bonuses. Hope you enjoy. Is there anything I can do to help? Like, is there a piece of content, whatever, right? So I love going with the email strategy. Now, when someone emails me, what do I send them back, right? Like, how are they actually going to get the bonuses? Let's look at this one right here. I don't even remember how this one was delivered. So now this is a good idea. He's collecting your email on the back end. So you sign in and that's going to take you directly to the bonus page. I think he put his bonuses in a Google folder in this case. Now, here's one of the reasons I said I don't love doing it like this. I don't typically, let me caveat this a little bit. I don't create the bonuses until someone makes a purchase, right? But that's unique to my situation on this channel. You can see we promote tons of different stuff, right? Never in an unethical way or trying to be pushy. It's just like BuzzRep's a good example where this isn't for everybody, but if you are this person, fill in the blank, this is perfect for you. But if you're this, or this person, it's not for you, right? Just authentic reviews, try to talk about these things, help people make good, wise buying decisions. Because usually, if you're looking for something and the thing that you're looking at isn't the right fit for you, I can redirect you and say, oh, this is what you actually want. You can buy this over here. It really just depends, just trying to find the best way to help you. That's what an affiliate marketer is. He serves his customers by helping them solve their pain points and provide extra value that they wouldn't be getting otherwise. So again, we promote a lot of different stuff. So what doesn't make sense for me is to every single time we promote a new thing, create all of the bonuses. Now the truth is, a lot of times I pull from my bonus library, 300 bonuses. So a lot of times, let's say I do 6 bonuses, 4 or 5 of them are already in here. And then maybe I have one more bonus that I'm going to create when someone actually completes the purchase. So they email me at info@jakethornhill.com and I say, awesome, let me get it to you within the next 24 hours. I'll go out, maybe have a Loom video strategy session going over the way that my team and I are implementing something, and I'll build that out and then I'll put it into our system and then I'll send it to them. So that way we're not actually building the bonuses until it's necessary. Same thing with something like Bonus Builder AI. So again, link in description, go here, watch the review. I'm not going to go over all this. But let's say I am promoting Bonus Builder AI and I want to grab 1, 2, 3, 4, these 4 bonuses. Well, I could take right now and build out all of those bonuses, or I can just make a note that these are the 4 bonuses. This is the rationale behind them. And then when someone buys, I can come back into the same system and say, hey, I need to create these 4 bonuses. Let's create them now. Because the way the Bonus Builder AI works is it gives you bonus ideas, you select the bonus ideas, and then it goes one by one, giving you an outline, you approve the outline, then it gives you the bonus, you save the bonus, and then it goes to the next bonus, next bonus, next bonus, then it gives you the HTML, and then it gives you emails and posts and all that stuff. So this way, I don't have to spend the time to create all the products right now. I simply catalog them here inside my Airtable. And again, I have a whole separate video on that. I believe, just go watch I have a lot of bonus videos you can go look at. I catalog them in Airtable. I make a note that they haven't been created yet. When someone makes a purchase, I go in and create those same day. I still want to have a quick delivery, but because I'm promoting so many things, it would take forever to create all the bonuses, and there's no reason to do that before someone actually buys. So one way you can do it is what Samuel did here. He put it inside a Google folder. I've seen people do it on Google Docs. It's a very simple way to do it. There's so many ways to deliver your bonuses. Here's the one that I recommend. Here's what I do. And again, you can get this template 100% for free if you decide to buy Bonus Builder AI through this link right here. Go to the description, click on this page, click on this button, complete the purchase. It's $27 during launch. It's $47 after the launch. And it's a no-brainer. I would buy this for $500 easy because these pages are so valuable to me. Also, a complete side note, I don't understand JVZoo and WarriorPlus. Why people sell great products for crap prices. That doesn't make any sense to me. Like, only launch one product every 3 months instead of one product every month and just charge what it's worth. It'll never make sense. Anyways, that's my little tangent. I came from high-ticket affiliate marketing. I don't understand cheap prices. Here's how I like to deliver my bonuses. It is this right here. Ooh, good reminder. I need to change that. We still use this, but we use a different primary lead magnet now that I am going to change right after this video. So this template right here does a lot of stuff. First off, we're obviously going to deliver the bonuses. Let me grab an example of this. We'll grab the one for the no sale profit system and look at that. So here's the template, right? So I would change whatever the name of the product is here, whatever the name of the product is here, and whatever the name of the product is here. Thank you for choosing to purchase through our link. We offer bonuses for every product we promote. So if you're ever thinking about making a purchase, make sure to email me at info@jakethornhill.com and I can give you an even better deal. I say a very similar thing in this video. Your bonuses are down below, but I want to serve you more in the future. So please always email me if you're thinking about buying something. I can beat out any bonus package that someone else may have. And again, this is just creating that, I always come to him for bonuses. Or I always ask him about bonuses, right? I want that relationship with my audience. Then I come down here and I actually build the bonuses out. Here's an example of a time I actually did it. You see we plugged in no sale profit system, no sale profit system. Same video every time. It's just generic bonuses are below. This is what we do. It's like 60 seconds long. Here's the case study. You can click here or here for access. Again there, and I put a Loom video under it as part of that one. Again, you click either one of those for access. So this is how I like to deliver it because first off, I think that looks cleaner than a Google Doc. It looks like a little more professional, which again, what you give them is an association to your brand, so it matters. But what I really love about it is a one-time setup of these things. So I do need to fix some of them because I actually made this template before I really started creating a lot of content again. So watch Jake's best videos. So when they get my bonuses, now they are being directed to both my YouTube channels, my primary Jake Thornhill channel and the Jake the Affiliate channel. They are seeing some of my favorite business opportunities, which I either can send them to videos on or I can send them directly to the offer itself. My lead magnet here, which again, I need to change that. I'll leave both of them, but my primary one, which is in the description as well, is the 10K month training. All my bonus packages you can see there. How to contact Jake, it's going to link to your email. And then finally, hey, do you want to be coached? I help people hit consistent 10K months. I would love to work with you as well. Hop on a call. We'll talk about your business. I'll help give you some extra free value for your business. And we'll also see if it's a good fit for us to work together. And we do that right there. So all of this is pretty straightforward, but I think it does so much more than just deliver bonuses. I want people in my ecosystem, right? Like I want them watching my content. I want to be able to talk to them on my email list. I want them to know about some of the things going on in my world and how they can be a part of it. And this is just a really clean way to do it. So if you are interested in this, make sure to use the link in the description. Buy the Bonus Builder AI. When you do that, send me an email and let me know that you would also like my Notion template for bonus delivery. Again, this is the only video so far that I've talked about this. So if you don't ask for it specifically, I'm not going to give it because it's not already in the bonus package. But yeah, you're welcome to this. You're just going to come in, you're going to make a few edits, and then you have this yourself. Again, I do need to change that, so I'm going to go do that here in just a second. Guys, I hope this was helpful. I think that this video is much more off the cuff, where I just talk about topics that are interesting, I think are important, or can be helpful for you. And this video actually turned out, I think, even better than I expected it to, because there's so much stuff that goes into this. It seems so simple to deliver bonuses, right? Like, here's a Google Doc and here's some links. But you can do it that way. But we're not in this for the short term. Like, the goal isn't to make $1,000 this month. It's to make $10K a month, $20K a month, $30K a month. And a lot of that has to do with how you build your brand in a way that is true, authentic, and that you're proud of. And I hope that this video helped you think through some of that. And again, maybe you even think of a better version of this than what I did. But hopefully you get the point of how you deliver bonuses, and what you deliver in those bonuses actually matters, because it is connected to your brand and what people think of you and associate you with. I hope this is helpful. As always, please go down in the comment section, leave me questions that you are specifically having. I don't want to just make videos that I think you want to hear. I want to make videos that I know you're interested in, and the questions that you are asking in the season that you are in. Make sure to grab my free training for consistent 10K months in the description as well. Make sure to subscribe for the next video coming probably tomorrow. See you then.